Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren announces cabinet reshuffle in near future. Also says centre-proof NRC updating of Manipur. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman approves 15% increment of overall funds for donor ministry, North Eastern Council. Body of 12-year-old minor girl who went missing since July 12 emerges from Iril River between Kurai Angom Lekai and Moirang Kampu Sajin. And people observe Anti-Repression Day today, commemorating those 12 brave mothers who disrobed at Kangla Gate, demanding to repeal APSPA in 2004. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Monday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. First up, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren has assured that the prevailing political crisis in the state will be resolved soon and the state cabinet will be reshuffled in near future under the supervision of central leaders. Speaking on the sidelines of Chief Minister's People's Day held at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today, Biren asserted that dialogues are ongoing to end the prevailing political issues of the BJP-led state government, which he equated to a minor family conflict. He assured that the internal conflict will not harm the governance of the state in any manner. Biren also assured that there is no financial lapse in Manipur. Chief Minister Biren disclosed that the centre has approved National Register of Citizens, that is NRC, updating of Manipur, and it is under process. He stated that Population Commission has been formed to initiate the same. Biren also mentioned that joint survey will be conducted in Indo-Myanmar border areas by DC concerned, officials of the area, top officials of the centre and state along with representatives of Myanmar to end the current border pillar controversy. He also assured to farmers that appropriate measures are being taken to cope with water scarcity in the wake of scanty rainfall. Biren maintained that river lift irrigation schemes are being made fully functional and water pumps are being distributed to farmers. Mentioning about the relentless strives of the state government to curb the menace of drugs and intoxicants abuse in Manipur, the Chief Minister lauded that a team led by Narcotic Affairs and Border has managed to seize contraband drugs worth 100 crore rupees in international market. He declared that the brave police personnel involved in the operation will be felicitated on India's Independence Day on August 15. Biren also stated that ahead of the Men Felicitation Program, state government will be felicitate the team by presenting a cash reward of 10 lakh rupees during an event to be held at First MR at 12:30 p.m. tomorrow.
MLA Nifuji Manunda, MLA Mangatara Pendaba, Yauba, Haunasani, Yakuna Wari Sanari, conclusion of Maporkani, Tuna settled down central leaders in the Su, the Maikoida, NRC, Taunana Via, but the Pirakrabani, NRC process Taunanaba, the Population Commission, Lainana Vihaitare, where the Taunanaba Lake Rabani, Madugi process the Dumlay Haitare, Ikang Tokadra in a Koyam, Pakana Rabani, a Koymak Sulabam Savang Hangud Rabani, Domi Mayam, Waba, Mayam Nawaba, Pam Nung Laidana, Ladiba, Arela schemes, Mayam, Hansento, Handana, Kanahona, Honabanedu, Nung, Sufazana Laya, the position Nung Lai is sufficiently oidri, Adubu Pam Nung Karikari, but of the Karagadi, Pan Bay Abgis, the later. Financial, RBI, Ben Laki, Bokoki, but to Kamaito, no Karinoni, Yang Manitu Yankana, Yang Hujikana, Yam Salvat with the lapses, labor the border Gidu, Mayam and Ubira Mani, if we go and see Yana practical. Dispute putting Loina both sides, what is Hanaga settled Togani, Tauri and Makataba, any dispute like Tanabako jointly survey Togani and my time.
Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has given approval for 15% increment of the overall funds for development of North-Eastern Region, Donor Ministry and North-Eastern Council, Government of India. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan disclosed the same during a press conference held at his residence in Kongba, Uchekon today. He also stated that the relevant authorities will be pressurized to complete the construction of National Sports University at Kotruk within 2 years. Dr. R.K. Ranjan claimed that he has obtained approval from Union Minister of State Kiran Rijiju to conduct walk-in interview to select physical education teachers of National Sports University in Manipur campus instead of conducting the interview in New Delhi campus. He further disclosed that funds for railway project of Manipur has been increased to 10,000 crore rupees in Union Budget 2019. He maintained that efforts are on to connect Imphal-More rail network with Myanmar during the second phase of India's Act East policy.
Our NDA government is not a promise government. Once assured tograba, ado koi perform taune. Narendra Modi na Act East policy ki lakpasida masi strengthen tauna ba koi na kari. Haina haigeda. Imphal to Moregi rail network ase Myanmar ki rail network connection tauna ba madugi survey se almost completed. Project sanction taudri ado handa ki budget sida koi na sigi portion sigi su sanction tauna ba ki request ado de koi taujarame donor ne aduga North Eastern Council ne masida overall 15% funds increase tawire akogi Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nilima Sitharaman ko masima akogi yamna phaba news ni our end
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan asserted that the NDA government in the centre is striving relentlessly to strengthen the Indian economy. He maintained that the Indian economy has risen from 1.5 trillion rupees before the NDA government to 2.75 trillion rupees with the advent of the NDA government. The Lok Sabha MP asserted that India is aiming to enhance its economy by 5 trillion rupees in 5 years to compete with China and USA. He also stated that the current union budget aims to improve infrastructure and surface communication system, to make India pollution-free, to bring self-reliance and to set up separate directorate for fisheries among others.
Lakadoriba sahi manga segi manungda Prime Minister na pami basi 5 trillions economy asida koi purakpa pambani masi purakna bahonabada reform perform and transform haibasigi theme makha sida koi economy se gear up togadoini handaki budget sida koi objective tara thame maruena finance minister na handa focus togri che koi any economy saukhat pase masi maru oibada infrastructure aduga particularly communication system surface communication se koi na lifeblood of our nation's economy haidana mana yam kana trust me.
People observed Anti-Repression Day 2019 today, commemorating the valorous incident in the history of Manipur where 12 heroic Manipuri women marched naked and protested at Kangla Gate on June 15, 2004, demanding to repeal Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA 1958. Anti-Repression Day Observation Committee organized the observance at Lamyanba Shanglin in Palace Compound today. Attendees paid floral tributes to 2 departed leaders out of the 12 heroic women on the occasion. Taking part in the event, Executive Director of Human Rights Alert, Bablu Loitongbam, lauded the people's unabated movement demanding to repeal AFSPA from the state since 1979. He calls upon youths to carry forward the movement initiated by the brave women to protect the state. He also calls upon the people to unite in demand for justice to 1,528 people who were killed in fact encounters in the state from 1979 to 2012. Expressing disappointment at the delay in serving justice to the victim families, Bablu Loitongbam stated that Human Rights Alert and various civil society organizations of the state have appealed to discuss on 5 points pertaining to Manipur during United Nations Convention to be held on July 19. UCM Consultative Member R.K. Ranendrajit, AMJU President Vijay Kakching Tabam, Dean Professor of School of Human and Environmental Science of Manipur University, W. Navakumar, Chairperson of Observation Committee Anti-Repression Day 2019, K.H. Anandi, Dean Professor of School of Social Sciences, Manipur University, K.S.H. Bimola, and members of various private organizations attended the program.
निंखा तंबकी लान हौबा मरक सेसता भारत का नहारोल सिंह की मरक लेरिबा लान हौनबगी मरक सेसता इमा सिंहना चोंथोक्तना मिचम मियामदा हेना अवाब पीदनबगी सुमाइना सरकार की ओइबा यामना तमथीबा आइन मयाम उथरागा हौरिबा इहौसिंगसी नमथेननबा नमखाइननबा तौरक पोतसेसता इमा सिंहना मायोंग याना चोंथोक्तना ख्वाइदगी ममांग थाबा लानमी ओइना चोंथोक्तना मदुदा थेंगाइनरकपगी पोतसी अखोइना सकना सोनबदा नतना मसी मालेम मफम खुदिमक्ता लेहौरदबा पोतने इमा सिंहगी वारीसी चुमनदा अखोइ सोवेनियर द फोंबगी मोता मसी तसेंगना लारिक ओइना फोंदोकपा अमदि लै इमासना लैरिङैदा आइदि फिल्म ममम चाही खुदिंगी इमा अमा अनिगी वारी लिहौबदसु चिनगी वारी ngak नतबदा फोटो ओइना लिहौबा अखोइ मसी तसेंगना तहौबा दरकार
Handicap Rehabilitation Organization HRO Jiribam strongly condemned the gunshot attack on the daughter of human rights defender Urik Khimbam Nobukishore and his wife Mangsatabam Sobita from Singjamai Naram Laikai on the night of July 4th. Speaking to media at the conference hall of Jiri News Network, General Secretary of HRO Th Ranita urged the relevant authorities to punish the miscreants involved in the incident without further delay. Body of the girl who went missing since July 12 was floating at Iril River between Kurai Angom Laikai and Moirang Kampu Sajib. The deceased is identified as a 12-year-old Tokchom Baby Toy, daughter of Birjit from Faknung Awang Laikai. Local residents of Moirang Kampu Sajib recovered her body from the Iril River around noon today. OC in charge of Lamlai Police Station and State Forensic Science team rushed to the spot and examined the situation. Then they transferred the body to Jenims mortuary for further investigations. Lamlai police has registered a case into the incident. Physical education teachers of Education S Department expressed disappointment over the failure of the authorities concerned to pay heed to their demand to accord appropriate salaries to the teachers as per their educational qualification. Education S Department Physical Education Teachers Association warned of stern action if the relevant department failed to look into the matter. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association Secretary M. Madhu Sudan mentioned that PET, who used to work under Education S and now employed under Youth Affairs and Sports Department, are already upgraded to Category 3 and are getting befitted salaries as per their qualifications.
Manipur sports amadi physical education si chawkhalan si hargadi akhoi PET singchida kharhena thauna hapiragadi phagani haibsima thamjab gulonana sarkar na su athu matamda akhoi gi wakatse tabiu implement tabiu karigumba sarkar na tabi dragadi akhoi su akhoi gi maikai dagi legal point of view da akhoi changba madarkar lai akhoi promotional avenue thambiraga akhoi employee singse magi sana bo pot tabiu.
Gardens, teachers and students of Kumbi Awang Kuno Aided Primary School and Kumbi Awang High School staged a protest demonstration at the school campus today against the police arrest of their school headmaster M. Bijoy. They also took out a protest rally chanting various slogans until Kumbi Bazaar. Teachers, students and staffs of Imphal Public Higher Secondary School took out a protest rally today against the planting of bomb at their school gate on July 13 by unknown miscreants. The protesters chanted various slogans vehemently condemning the misconduct. Singjamai to Lilong United Clubs organization strongly condemned the planting of bomb at Imphal Public School gate in Kanchipur on July 13. As per the security measures taken in the state, Imphal West District Commando team conducted cordon search operations at BT Road, Roof Mall Tank and Travel Market areas today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police, Aribam Ganesham, carried out the search drive from 5:25 p.m. till 6 p.m. Altogether, 320 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 11 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. A team of Thoubal District Police Commando under the supervision of Thoubal SP Dr. S. Ebomcha seized 4.6 kgs of opium from 3 miscreants around 11:05 a.m. this morning. The miscreants are identified as 37-year-old Kangsowa Moirangfun from Machi Mathak Part 1, son of Modun, 40-year-old Medersang Angmung, son of late Medersang Angfun, and 39-year-old Dangsha Manglem, son of Dangsha Mothil. The team led by Additional SP Operations Sachidananda Soibam recovered the contraband drugs from a silver-colored Maruti van bearing registration number MN01W8891 near Kaching Lamkai Oil Pump. The miscreants and the seized drugs were handed over to Kaching Police Station for further investigation. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on combined team of Moreh Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles apprehending suspected proscribed KCP Noyon Group and UNLF cadres. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Monday Primetime English News. A combined team of Moreh Commando and 43rd Assam Rifles led by SP Technopol apprehended 2 suspected cadres of KCP Noyon Group and 1 suspected cadre of UNLF during a search operation from Dalpati and Howland 5 village in Moreh last evening. The 2 KCP Noyon Group suspects are identified as 19-year-old Irom Raju alias Kiamba, son of Robindro from Chandrakhong in Thoubal district, and 20-year-old Ningthogjam Mahesh alias Pibathoy, son of Binet from Yaripog Bishnunaha. While the arrested UNLF suspect is identified as 25-year-old Asem Anil Kumar alias Silngamba, son of Jitain from near Wangkai Maihobam Lampak in Imphal East district. The arrested persons have been handed over to Moreh police for further interrogation. Six-day training program on intellectual property right IPR for micro, small and medium enterprises DI and BDI officers staff kicked off at Hotel Classic Grande today. Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, Kannauj, in collaboration with Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME Technology Center, Imphal, organized the training program under the aegis of Ministry of MSME, Government of India. The discussions were held on trademark during the technical session of the program today. The program, attended by MSME, DI and BDI officers staff from across the country, is the first of its kind in Manipur. Speaking to media, Deputy Director of Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, Kannauj, Dr. Nadeem Akbar asserted that the training program will facilitate the entrepreneurs of the state.
So such program, our main aims to organize this program on to develop the intellectuals and under the capacity building of these staffs. So we have selected this first time in this region, in Manipur, and because in Manipur we are already establishing a new MSME TCs here, especially in the food park new locality area. So because this is the initial stage, and I think within the 300 days we will going to reopening this, because our Honorable Minister, Mr. Gadkari has given the target to inaugurate this new MSME TCs here in food park new locality within the 300 days.
Rainbow rooster chicks were distributed to 142 beneficiaries of Rural Backyard Poultry Scheme for Imphal East District today. Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, H. Chauba, assured of providing the same to 1,250 beneficiaries of the state. Speaking on the sidelines of the distribution event held at District Veterinary Office Porompat, Imphal East today, Director Chauba stated that the chicken breed called Rainbow Roosters, which is also known as low-input technology birds, are easy to rear and they have high resistance to poultry diseases. He stated that 23 seats were provided for free under the scheme to beneficiaries selected by Jilla Parishad and Panchayati Raj office in the district. The director is sure to distribute the same to selected beneficiaries of other districts in the near future.
Asi Impal Sidagi Hauraga, district Loinama cover Toraga, beneficiaries in Kalapa Loi Laser, Ruga Yen Masasing Seguina, supply to Busida at one go the Pulupti, we palm the limitation, supplier the Gi, Singmanga Loba, Marie Loba, Home Loba, Lobisida, Pulup when Amukta the Queen and Topangam Devani, and Amasi Loeragamatangi, district Amamukoi Paisani, Sahi Amamakaidi. Yang pazena moi production se amam khai de pazena leini duga hayeng masa yoninga ga su koina dum yon bi ai de marum koglei ba marum khara koina yolaga ngung yen mana masing leina bi ai family consumption su to bi ai numain tawdana koina masigi scheme si koina paikhat chabani.
Women's Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, Kha Potsambam organized a one-day workshop on the theme Harnessing the Power of Cooperatives to Achieve Sustainable Development for All under Sahakar Bharati Manipur today at Kha Potsambam Maning Community Hall. National Organizing Secretary of Sahakar Bharati Manipur, Sanjay Pachpor, and Northeast in charge of Sahakar Bharati Bharat Kumar spoke as resource persons in the workshop. Members of Moirang Cooperative Bank Limited, Nacho Fishery Cooperative Society, Vaigachandra Foundation Trust, Kha Potsambam K. Thambal Devi, HH Cooperative Society, Charangpat, Mamang Thobal District, and SION Dairy Farming cum Livestock Cooperative Society Limited, Kha Potsambam took part in the workshop. Two-day training program to raise awareness on soil health card scheme among farmers kicked off at Thobal Pakhangkhong Leirak Community Hall in Thobal District today. Agriculture Department in association with District Agriculture Office, Thobal organized the program under the aegis of National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture NMSA. Two-day orientation cum induction program kicked off for 4th batch students of BA course of Manipur University of Culture constructed under Manipur University of Culture Act 2015. The program was held at the Conference Hall of Government Dance College in Palace Compound. Resource persons stressed on various courses offered in the university like dance, music, Umanglai Harauba, Sanskritan, Thangta, visual arts, travel studies, theatre, language and culture. Dhanamanjur University DM College of Science Students Union in a press release condoled the untimely demise of former Secretary of Student Union Session 2018 to 18 Boys Common Room Dhanamanjuri College of Science Priyananda Yanglim on July 11th. CCSK is gearing up to hold a Manipur Day observance in Bangladesh. Speaking on the sidelines of a tour to Bangladesh participated by Meiteis from Manipur and Bangladesh called Khongul Liba Khongchet at CCSK office in New Chekon today. CCSK President Jitendra Nimomba also stated that efforts are on to construct a Manipur cultural complex at Bhanukas in Maulovi Bazar district of Bangladesh.
Khongsit asigi manungi oiba thimdi Bangladesh ta leriba khoi tei musa singa Manipur ta leriba moitei musa singa nungi oiba mari ama thamnanaba onabagi adugma khongsit amani hairiba khongsit chu yamna mai paki na haijaba tare khoi gi maikei digi ekhoina su khanjaduna leiba Bangladesh ta leriba moitei singse status ama thamnanaba gi damakta khoina khanjarba manglan ama niagi assistant high commissioner oriba L Krishnamurti na propose tore karino da Manipur Day ko bama special day ama pangthok si haidana khoida haibirak ba madu khoi gi मरुना पुनबा मनपुर मतम से कांगलुब मदी CCS के न सिंजरुब खोंगचत से ख्वाइदगी माई पाकपनी हाइन खंजे
Education Guide Center, Thobal, Moijing held its 25th Foundation Day observance at Moijing Community Hall today. Member of Laishangthem Jilla Parishad, Abdul Latif, Pradhan of Moijing Gram Panchayat, Abdul Warish, President of Education Guide Center, Thobal, Moijing, Mohammad Kheruddin Saha led attendees in planting various tree saplings in and around the village on the occasion. President of Kurai Assembly Constituency Fair Price Shop Committee, Basiruddin, has warned that statewide general strike will be called from 6 a.m. of July 17 if due 5-month food grains under NAPSA scheme for beneficiaries of Kurai constituency is not distributed by July 16th. Speaking to media in Kurai today, Basiruddin stated that the proposed central general strike is supported by residents of Kurai constituency, Fair Price Shop Committee, JAC against the bomb blast at Kurai Sajor Laikai, Kurai Kendra Development Committee, Islamic Development Association, Kumidog Development Club and Kumidog Development Association, Maira Paibi.
Department की माइगई दगी था अमगी चेंग पीरगा मखा तारकपा चेंग असी हयेंग नत्रगा हंगचित फौगी मनुंग द पीबीरनी हाइबसु लेते लाइबा तांग 13 हयेंग फौगी मनुंग द अवात प चेंग सरुक असी पीबीदब तारगदी मथंग की तांग 13 की अयुक पुंग तरुक तगी मखल मखा कयागी खोंजंग ग लोइनना अखोय जेनेन स्ट्राइक तौबा हैना खुराई केंद्र असी की मनुंग द लेरिबा सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैरा पाइबी क्लब संस्थान खुदिंग मका लोइनना हाइरिबा फिरे
NAPSA card holders of Kurai constituency started overnight held protests at 27 fair price shops condemning the failure of the relevant minister to provide 5-month quota of rice even after payment of the mandatory bills. Speaking to media, women card holders urged the government to provide their due benefits under the scheme at the earliest. They want to continue the agitation until their demand is met.
Tha mangagi sengse masi akoi pibiu haidana hairubadagi ngasi akoi mafamsida ngasi humni surabani aikoigi seng tha makhaki laise laiba sengsi akoi yenaba akoigi tha masing sudabana maram oraga Sunaba PBU Habigi Damakta, Akoina Chipau Numi Humnise, Akoi, Ahing Yarektana, Akoi card holder Mayam Siga, Ejenga Loinana, Akoi change Sanjarini.
Akoi Kurai Kendragi, Tamangagi Sing Pangdriva Si, Tubamatam the Panghanbiro, Koi Kurai Pajamayam Sing a Siang Ware, the Marile Nabasina, Tubamatam the Pitok Piu. Akoi Kayam Quina Ahing Yarektana, Hidori Bano, Yaragadi, Akoi, Amana Amabu Nada Bigida. Marile Nabazina, Akogi Awabasing Asi, Amtako on Biu, Tamangagi Pitok Piu, Masi Sudribokti, Akoi Logzagiro, and Atuamatam da Pitok Piu, Akoi Awabazi, Amtadiko on Biu.
Discussions were held on the prevailing political crisis in the state at City Office of Manipur Democratic Alliance, MDA, at Sagolban today. The meeting resolved to demand resurvey of border pillar number 81 and 82 at Indo-Myanmar border, and to urge the President to give his assent to Manipur People Bill 2018. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham launched a BJP nationwide membership enrollment drive in Thobal district today. The launching event was held at his residence in Hairok Part 2. Lamshang Local Council Communist Party of India in a press release informed that its 47th local conference attended by eminent CPI members was held at the residence of 1H Kwakle in Tharojam yesterday. Now the sports news. District Sports Association Chandal accorded a warm welcome to women volleyball team of DSA Chandal, the champion of Hitsam Sports tournament today. It may be mentioned that the tournament was held from July 1st to 6th at Thomas Ground in Kangpokpi district. Chandal SP and Madhunimai, MPS, and Commandant of 18 Assam Rifle Chandal, Colonel Ajit Khatri, graced the event. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren announces cabinet reshuffle in near future. Also says Centre approve NRC updating of Manipur. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman approves 15% increment of overall funds for donor ministry, North Eastern Council. Body of 12-year-old minor girl who went missing since July 12 emerges from Iril River between Kurai Angom Laikai and Moirang Kampu Sajib today. And people observe Anti-Repression Day today, commemorating those 12 brave mothers who disrobed at Kangla Gate demanding to repeal APSPA in 2004.